Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I trust you are doing well. In this video, from the title, you guys know what we are going to be doing today. I was inspired to do this hairstyle by Tupo One here on YouTube. I'll leave her channel down below for you guys to check her out. Girl, we are about to take our natural hair to the next level, so tell a friend to tell a friend by sharing this video for someone that may find it helpful. Without further much ado, let's get right into the video. I'm starting off by making my sections, and I'm going to make it in a triangular form. So as you see in the video, they are not too straight, and with my hair it looks kind of curly. My hair is relaxed, by the way. From the original video, she used natural hair, and I decided to recreate it for my relaxed hair sisters to know that sometimes there are certain hairstyles that we can also do. Okay, we can also do. So I just took out 2 weeks old cornrow, and I decided to do this hairstyle because why not? Hence, that is why my hair is in this curly state. I didn't wash it because my scalp wasn't dirty. After pre-making my sections, this is how they look. You first of all have to do this before you move on to the next step. Now onto the next step, we are going to use rubber bands, and with my rubber band I dip them in oil in order not to get stuck to my hair when I'm pulling it out. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to pull the hair to make it quite tight, a little bit tight and secured. Then I'm going to go ahead to make my cornrow. From the thumbnail, you saw that there were tiny cornrows in between each triangle, so that is what I'm doing here. I'm not going to braid it all the way down. I'm just going to braid it past a few lengths. Then we're going to move on to the next hair. Use the rubber band, making sure that it's tight, and then we are going to move on to braid cornrow. Then the next one is the rubber band cornrow, if that makes sense. So in order to get your cornrows to align with the triangle, once you've already sectioned your triangles as I did before, use your tail comb to bring out a piece of hair that is aligning with the triangle going straight, and then that is what we are going to be braiding in between. Once I'm done sectioning the front and braiding my cornrow, I'm going to make the rest of my hair and my back in a bun, or let's say a ponytail, and with the help of my rat tail comb, I'm just going to brush it all up and then use a rubber band to tie it, and that is what we are going to be doing our pony. I'll be using this eco edge control to also slick down the hair, because as I said, I took my hair out in a cornrow, so it's not really flat, if I may say. It's a little bit bumpy and curly, and I needed it to be straight, so I'm using the Eco Styler gel to help me slick that down. And then once I'm done, I'm going to braid my real hair like so, and then I'm going to make it in a bun and hold it down with rubber band as well. Now moving to the front, I'm just going to apply same eco gel that I used at the back in front to also make the front section also a bit neat. And I'm using same gel to also lay down my edges, because I didn't want it to interfere whilst I'm doing the braid. And once I was done, this is how they look, really neat and beautiful. Now let's move ahead to start doing the braiding. So this is the hair I used to do the cornrow. So it's also curly. As I said, I didn't have the cornrows in for that long, so I decided to reuse the hair. With the help of this crochet hook, I'm just going to slide my extension through my hair, and then I'm going to bring one side out, and then we are going to braid 3-strand braids using my real hair as a third piece. And then once I braid past my real hair, I'm going to bring one of the extension as my third piece and then braid all the way down. Once that is done, I'm going to make my Bantu knots like so by rolling the hair around and then securing it with a rubber band. This is how it should look once you are done. I'm going to repeat the same process on the rest of the hair. OMG guys, as you can see, the hair is beautifully coming together, and I was already feeling myself. I was already proud of myself at this point. Ha! So that's my last piece in front. I'm just going to quickly braid that of the way, and then we can start with the back. Now the front section is done. Let's move on to the ponytail side. I'm using this extension in color 1, and then I went to braid it into twist off camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a rubber band like so at the end of the hair, and I'm going to use that to attach to my real hair, and then I'm going to begin wrapping. And then this side you just wrap and secure it with bobby pin. You can choose to do it anyhow you want it. There is no special method. You can even add ponytail, drawstring, anything at the back to make your hair nice. You don't have to do it exactly as I did it. I used 2 packs of braiding hair to do this, and you may see at the end of the video that I had like 2 different colors of hair. That is because I thought 1 pack would be enough, but I ended up adding 2, and then the second hair that I had was color 2, so this was color 1. So at the end of the day, there was a little bit of color difference, but that's okay. So if you are buy 2 packs of hair. You can choose to use 1 pack if you like the results, but for me, I prefer it to be 2 packs to make the hair more beautiful. And I'm just going to secure it with bobby pins, more bobby pins. And guys, this side of the hair, so I forgot to do the tribal braid, so I did it off camera. I added rubber band to it and I attached it to my hair like this. This is DIY. I just had to improvise. I just had to be creative at this point, because without the tribal braids, this hair wouldn't be complete. So I did that and I love the end result. Guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you learned something from it and you found it helpful. Please make sure you share this video, and until next week, stay fab, stay beautiful, and be awesome. All products used will be listed in the description, so make sure you check it out. Bye guys.